So you're just gonna get your kinky bundle, and really all you need is really a little bit. This bundle goes a long way, a very long way. So there it is. There is the nuisance, okay? So I'll be using the 0.60 steel crochet needle, and I like this one because it is very, very sturdy. It's comfortable to hold as well. So we're just gonna take the hair, put it right there. And I will be taking the hair from one side through that to the other side. And I'm just gonna keep doing that. You can feel the process between your fingers. And I'm gonna also twirl as I do this. And voila, magic, voila, magic. Okay, so I filled this spot in. Now we're gonna go down the podium. All right, here is the finished result.